I'm going to be showing you how to auto-accept any post in Reddit. So to automatically approve posts in a subreddit, you must be a moderator of that subreddit. This is usually done using auto-moderator on Reddit. So what you can do is use auto-moderator to auto-approve posts. So auto-moderator can automatically approve every post that is submitted. So what you need to do is go to your subreddit. So once you've gone there, what you need to do is tap on mod tools and you can have the option of auto moderator right there. And what you need to do is edit auto moderator configuration, and then you can just add a rule that says submission or action approve and just save that. Now every post will be automatically approved. You can also just try turning off spam filter. Sometimes that helps to reduce posts being removed automatically. So that's how you auto accept any post in a subreddit. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.